Let us see about Hersey-Say's experiment. Hersey and Say investigated bacteriophage genetic material is DNA. Albert Hersey and Martha Say he conducted experiment one of the virus bacteriophages. What is bacteriophages? Bacteriophages means viruses that infect only bacteria. That group of viruses is simply called bacteriophages. Bacteriophages mainly composed of two macromolecules. Outer protein coat. Inside the protein coat, DNA materials are present. That is the major clue for this experiment. Let us see about structure of T2 bacteriophage. Bacteriophage mainly contains three regions. The hexagonal head, below the head that containing neck or collar region, below the neck region that containing long contractile sheath. So this contractile sheath that containing 24 rings that easily relax and contracted. The contractile sheath mainly settle on the one important region that is called as basal plate. Within the basal plate that containing 6 long tails, small again 6 tail fibers also present in the basal plate. Let us see about life cycle of T2 bacteriophage. T2 bacteriophage using its long tail fiber first recognize the host bacteria. T2 bacteriophage mainly recognize E. coli acts as a host bacterium. Using the long tail fiber, first attach on the surface of the bacteria and recognize the receptor site of the bacteria. The bacteria containing lipopolysaccharide, teichoic acid, these type of components act as a receptor for T2 bacteriophage. After recognition, the bacteriophage that attachment on the bacterial cell surface. After settled down, that inject the genetic material inside the bacteria. The protein coat remains always outside the bacteria. So the genetic material enter into the bacteria that undergo number of copies. That process is simply called replication. So after completion of replication, most of the genetic material translate that produce number of structural proteins. So after that, they produce the number of daughter bacteriophages, mainly 300 bacteriophages that release from the host bacterium. So that is the life cycle of T2 bacteriophage. The major principle of Hersey-Say's experiment is T2 bacteriophage that containing two major macromolecules. One is protein, another one is DNA material. So DNA only containing phosphorus but not contain the sulfur content. Similarly, protein that containing only sulfur molecules but not have the phosphorus content. That is the major clue of this experiment. In the Hersey-Say's experiment, they selected only two cultures. Culture 1, the bacteriophage was grown in medium containing radioactive element P32. To make it, the DNA have radioactivity. Culture 2, the bacteriophage was grown in medium containing radioactive compound S35. To make it, protein have the radioactivity. After the cultivation of two type of culture, first culture, let us see about the first diagram. Green fluorescent shaded protein coat that denoted as radioactive S35 sulfur containing protein coat. Below the diagram, within the head, green color DNA molecule that denoted as P32 radioactive element coated DNA molecule. First, green shaded S35 coated protein coat T2 bacteriophage allowed to infect the non-radioactive E. coli bacteria. During the infection, the T2 bacteriophage injected the genetic material. In this diagram, the blue color shaded DNA injected within the bacteria. The green shaded protein coat bacteriophage that remains outside the bacterial cell. Similarly, second, T2 bacteriophage DNA containing P32 radioactive element is allowed to infect separate non-radioactive E. coli bacterium. So here the said P32 radioactive element containing DNA injected within the bacterial cell, remaining protein coat of T2 bacteriophage that remains outside the bacterial cell. After infection, the cultures were agitated to shake loose podge particles that remain outside the bacterial cell. Mixer were centrifuged, forcing the heavier bacterial cells into pellet on the bottom of the tube, the supernatant light virus particles that remained in the supernatant. Radioactivity in the pellet as well as the supernatant was measured and compared. Let us see the diagram. First one is the green shaded protein coat containing S35 radioactive element that mainly present outside the bacteria. So the supernatant that containing large amount of fluorescent or radioactivity. Below the diagram, the pellets that containing high fluorescent activity, because so the P32 DNA injected into the bacteria after centrifuge, the protein T2 bacteriophage that remains the supernatant, they have no radioactivity. Inside the bacteria, the DNA and the progeny DNA material that is replicated to form large amount of fluorescence in the pellet. So from this experiment, so the injected material is mostly genetic material. Here the protein mainly remains outside the bacteria. The injected material of DNA inside the bacteria that give the fluorescence in the second tube largely. So the injected material is confirmed, experimentally proved as the T2. From this experiment, Hersey and Sayce concluded that viral proteins remain outside the host cell during the T2 bacteriophage infections on bacteria. The viral DNA is injected into the host cell. The injected DNA, they cause the cells to produce additional viruses that have many number of DNA materials and proteins. These data provided evidence that the nucleic acids rather than proteins are the hereditary material. It is concluded that the T2 bacteriophage genetic material is only for DNA, not the protein.